Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and I had a training at 10, live trading and training with my full-time traders program students, right? Give them a few stock selection techniques to select for swing trade and day trade, right? Very excited to see their improvement in the coming days or weeks. But today, one of my swing trade actually gapped down due to news, and that is UPS, right? And I lost quite a bit, right? Okay, but my day trade was pretty okay. Covered some of the losses, right? And the loss from the gap from UPS wasn't too big for that I can't recover in the coming days or weeks. Still quite okay. Let's take a look. Hey guys, right, you're right now at my screen, right? Like I say, I have a live session with my students and we traded together, right? So we did trades like we took a swing trade loss on UPS because it gapped down, right? Okay, and we closed a swing trade on CPRT. We still leaving our HAL and OXY swing trade going on. Day trade wise, did pretty okay, right? You can see realized loss has reduced a lot despite closing the loss on UPS, right? Realized loss is now like $350. Not too big that I can't recover in the next few days or weeks, right? Okay, but day trade is traded on Meta, but not trading up but trading down, right? Okay, and miss one trade that was really profitable would have easily maybe even close to reduce this even this today's loss due to the swing trade. It will have reduced it by a lot, right? Okay, maybe even close to break even, right? So let me show you. And of course, right now I still have a MES trade going by short selling it, right? Is the micro S&P futures, right? Just a small position. Over here, let's talk about Meta first, right? Okay, Meta is a trade that I want to short it down, right? I can see that based on the multiple short-term time frame, the setup is there, right? And when market open, right, it actually opened here, right? Much higher than previous day closing price. Then after that, it continued to go up, right? Okay, and we didn't do anything because there wasn't any trigger for us to trade. Right about 11:15 to 11:20, right? We had a trigger to trade it down, and we did so, right? Okay, so I traded it down roughly around here. We took profit. Could have took much more profit and maybe even cover the loss on UPS, but it's the human decision, right? Right now, looking at it going down, definitely people will have said, hey, you should have hold, and got such a big profits getting in here, and all the way is easily a risk to reward of 1:5 kind of thing. But I got about 1:1 or 1:2 risk to reward instead of getting all the way, right? If I hold till now lah, right? Okay, but it's still profit anyway. And another trade that I noticed after we closed the Meta trade, right? There was a trigger here to buy, right? Okay, and I actually wanted to buy it, right? The moment I tell my students to start calculating the sizing and get in, right? The moment I say it, right, it straight away surged over here, right? Jump by about 10 cents, right? So I was thinking, wow, this is a low price stock and it jumped 10 cents already, right? So easily already a risk to reward of more than 1:1, right? So I told them let's forget it because we missed the good entry, right? We missed a good entry. Yes, it still continue to go up, but if you got in here, it's not a good practice to do it, even though there is still profit. Why? Because in other cases, it might have been a loss, right? Okay, and a bigger loss, right? Okay, so entry should have been around 24.5655 kind of thing, and put our stop loss somewhere at this low, right, which is around 24.5. This would have easily because of the good entry, right, it would have easily been another big win, right? Okay, but of course, like I say, we were slower by, I think, 10 seconds only, right? We were slower by 10 seconds. So it does happens, right? Reaction time for day trading is definitely has to be fast, right? You need to be quick in your reaction to take advantage of day trading, right? Okay, strategy was good there, right? Okay, to spot it and trade. It's just that the human reaction was a little bit slow, right? Okay, so we didn't get this win, right? Would have loved to have got this good run, and even hold on meta, and today is really a very good day, right? For day trading, right? Not too bad. My day trading today is positive, right? It's just that we had a stop loss on UPS, right? Okay, it does happen, right? Earnings came out today, and the market gap against us, right? Okay, and this is the importance of risk management, right? UPS, as you can see here, okay, it gapped down, right? Okay, our stop loss was somewhere here, so it gapped down quite a bit, and we lost slightly more than what we intend to, right? And I say it does happen, right? Okay, but not too big a loss that we can't cover, right? Okay, so yeah, sometimes it's in our favor, sometimes it's not in our favor, so it depends, right? Okay, but very quickly, I have a MES trade ongoing. I'm closing it soon, right? You can see over here I shorted, right? I shorted when it triggered here, and I shorted it down. It's getting me pretty good profits, right? I'm still thinking whether to close it before I sleep, or maybe just hold it overnight just for one day and see how it goes, right? Tomorrow I'll update you, right? Okay, so yeah, I mean, things not looking too bad, especially my day trading is now back to normal, right? Consistently profitable. So looking forward to sharing more with you in my next video tomorrow, right? Okay, and just in case you are wondering how I apply my strategy and get this good win, how did I actually spot meta to sell here around at 405.6 and sell it down. And just in case you're wondering, even though I missed this, how did I come to this entry point, right? It's all based on my unique TDW strategy, in short, right? It's called trade to win strategy. And if you are interested to learn this, I actually hold an online free workshop where you can register to attend to learn more about this strategy. So you can actually click around this video, the link around this video, to register to attend, right? And during the workshop, I'll share more about the strategy with you, right? Okay, so that's all from me. I hope today is a good day for you, right? And may the profits always be with you. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.